Smriti Mandhana from India, a name that is, I think, a household name, and she is a batter, as we all know. And I can open at 50, please. Thank you so much. Mumbai comes in right at 50 lakh. 110 against you, ma'am. 120 back with Mumbai. 260 with Bangalore now at 260. Thank you. 280 back with Mumbai. 300 with Bangalore. At 300 lakh now with Bangalore at the back of the room. At 300. 320 we come back to Mumbai. At 340 goes back to Bangalore. At 340. At 340 with Bangalore with Royal Challengers against everybody else. All done and selling them to the Royal Challengers. Bangalore at 340 lakh. Congratulations at 340 lakh to the Royal Challengers Bangalore.
First player in group number 8 will be number 52, Kashmi Gautam, and we have an opening bid of 10 lakh. At 10 lakh, do I have any teams coming in? Any bids in the room? At 10 lakh. Thank you, Gujarat. At 10 lakh, I have with the Gujarat Giants now at 10 lakh. At 10 lakh, any other teams? Bangalore coming in at 15. Thank you so much. At 35, 40 lakh for Gujarat, 45 lakh for Bangalore. 50 lakh for the Giants. 110 lakh. Thank you, Warriors. At 110. 120, say Gujarat. At 120 lakh now with Gujarat. Now against you, ma'am. 150 for the Warriors. At 150 lakh for the Warriors. 180 for the Giants. 190 at 190 lakh now with the Warriors. 200 lakh, say the Gujarat Giants at 200 lakh. Still with the Giants up front at 200 lakh. Then at 200 lakh, then still with the Gujarat Giants, not yours UP Warriors. Let's check if anybody else wants to come in at 200 lakh. It's up front with the Gujarat Giants against everybody else in the room, and Kashmi Gautam goes to the Giants at 200 lakh. Well done. Our next player up is number 16, Annabelle Sutherland from Australia. And we can open at 40 lakh for Annabelle Sutherland at 40 lakh. Opening bid at 40 lakh. 45, Bombay comes in. Mumbai comes in at 45 lakh. Far back now at 45 lakh for the Mumbai Indians. 50 lakh we go back to the Delhi Capitals. 55 lakh for Mumbai. 60 lakh for the Delhi Capitals. 95 lakh for Mumbai. 120 is with the Capitals. Center of the room. 170 lakh for the Mumbai Indians. 200 lakh up front in the center at 200 lakh. All done? At 200 lakh, then the bid is with Delhi up front in the center of the room for Annabelle Sutherland. Anybody else coming in at 200 lakh? Currently with Delhi in the center. Any other team would like to come in? All done then? Annabelle Sutherland for the Delhi Capitals at 200 lakh. Thank you all. Next player is going to be Simran Sheikh. This is number 32. Simran Sheikh, the batter from India. And let's open here at 10 lakh, please. At 10 lakh, do I have a bid anywhere in the room for Simran Sheikh? At 10 lakh. Opening bid of 10. 15 is here. Gujarat Giants comes in at 15. At 15, 20 for Delhi. 55, thank you Giants. At 55, 60, Delhi comes straight back. At 60, 65 for the Giants. 85 for the Giants. 90 lakh for the Capitals, 95 for the Giants. 1 crore is Delhi. 1 crore 60 and Gujarat comes back. 170 for Gujarat. 180. Delhi Capitals is back at 180. 1 crore 90. All through then and selling up front. It's with the Gujarat Giants at 1 crore and 90 lakh. Gujarat Giants, Simran Sheikh sold to you. Thank you.